What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Mezzocaleb, and welcome back to another POV drive. And to be honest, y'all, I've been kind of dabbling around with these POVs for a little bit, and I've come to the conclusion that I'll probably should start bringing you guys more POVs as a whole across this channel. I've just kind of been shifting my focus a little bit more to the build for the 10-speed and kind of trying to figure out a way to give you guys the best and most consistent content, because in the past years I've kind of struggled with the consistency as a whole, because I get so busy and sometimes I get tired of filming like a full all-out handheld vlog style video. Even though the vlogs are always lit, I just feel like bringing you guys a POV is so much easier, and I can keep you guys updated. Like if something happens or if something changes, I can just slap on the GoPro and then talk and drive at the same time and just bring you guys whatever. Without further ado, me and wifey just literally left Texas 2K. We left Houston Raceway, which this is actually the last year that they will be hosting it in Houston. The next year it'll be in Ennis, Texas. I forgot what it's at. I think it's Ennis. It's like south of Dallas, which is about 3 hours out from Houston, but it's all right. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit, we turned way too early. But yeah, so I didn't film anything too much at Texas 2K because it was a lot of stopping and going and stopping and going, which in my opinion is just not, it's too tedious. Like I have to keep picking up the camera, keep putting it down. So I just would rather just record the races for TikTok, which you guys should follow me on TikTok at Mezzocaleb. It's the same for all platforms. I do post a lot of good videos on there. I do want to talk about how I am finally modding the car. Not in the sense of going all out max effort NA or boost. I just kind of been playing around with the build and just figuring out what I want it to do and what I want out of it. My plans for this car is a natural street car that I can daily. I want to have one of the fastest bolt-on cars that is actually full weight. I don't talk about it too much because I do like to keep some of that performance stuff secretive, just so a lot of people can't copy the blueprint. But at the same time, if I am quick and I'm paving the way for a lot of full weight cars, then I'd rather let other people know. We're gonna probably run steer to close airbox, a ported GT350 manifold, long tube headers, E85, and honestly that setup sounds very simple out of bolt-ons, but the most important part is who you get tuned by, because I've seen guys run intake headers E or just headers E and they're still running times like factory. And my options for tuning, I'm not going to talk about the tuning too much in this video. I'll say that for another POV, like what tuners to look for or something like that, and I'll just kind of upload that as we go. But in this video, I definitely want to give you guys a couple pulls, let you know how the car's feeling. It feels hella good. I am on a heavy tire setup right now. I do have 315s in the back. I don't know what this guy's doing. What are you doing? But we are on a heavy tire setup, but it still runs like a champ. We're still hooking and booking, and it's very smooth. Car is not even doing too much, and like I said, we are on a heavy tire setup. On my stock tires, I ran 265 35/20s, which they really didn't hook, but they did at the same time, and they kind of like lit up the tires. Every single low roll, like 40s 50s, they just lit up the tires out of second. But I put the 315s on hoping that it'll solve that traction issue, but at the same time it kind of made it worse. Like the car literally feels slow. It's hooking way too much. The car is not making that much torque for it to be moving how it is. But I do have a drag pack that is getting thrown on tomorrow, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing draggy tests, and I will post the draggies in this video or in the next video that I do the actual hits on. That's Sleazy right there. He literally has the same exact car as mine, just 315 gears, and he's on the drag pack on the rear, and that made a night and day difference for him. He said that it's worth it and that I should throw it in the pack. So I kind of fought tooth and nail trying to get some tires, and here we are. We've been out at Texas 2K all day, and literally since what, like 11 a.m.? Yeah. 11 a.m. It is 7:16 p.m. and I'm tired, and we're probably gonna go get something to eat. But I felt like what's a better way to give you guys a POV than fucking 35-40 minute drive all the way from Raceway. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me take this car to the drag strip, because I definitely need some practice with being in the drag strip, or being in a drag strip setting. I definitely think it's more competitive than roll racing, and it's a lot safer. You don't really have to worry about, you know, cops or speeding tickets or anything of that nature, because like I said, it's in a controlled environment. You know, you go on, you know, on your own time, on your own pace, at your own risk, honestly. But it's just depends on what you like. I prefer roll racing, and it's a more drivable setting for me, just because it's a lot more skill involved with drag racing. But I definitely think if you can grasp both, it's definitely a win-win situation. Like, why not, you know? I think you can definitely, and it'll bring more content for you guys. It's the best of both worlds. You guys get the content from roll racing and dig racing and taking the car to perhaps a track and doing hot laps and all types of stuff. But all that stuff kind of meshed together with POV drives, I think would be a whole different outlook for the rest of this year. And I definitely want to bring you guys like 3 to 4, maybe even 5 videos a week. And I think we can definitely do it with these POVs. So depending on how you guys like the content, if you have questions or requests on videos, you guys can hit me up literally anywhere: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, all comments, whatever you guys feel. And I'll just keep bringing them, man, because this is what I love to do. I love to drive my car, I love to film, so why not bring it all together and have you guys tag along with me on this journey, because we are on the road to building one of the fastest bolt-on full-weight cars, swear to God. And we will get there for sure. And I'm really excited. And look at this view. Sunset is beautiful, isn't it, baby?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Very, very pretty.
And it's pink.
You said what?
I said it's pink at the bottom.
Yeah, it is.
It's my favorite color.
It's like all right here. Go ahead, get over a little bit. But yeah, we got nothing but space. But yeah, man, what do you guys think? Beautiful POVs? Think it's worth it? Think I should keep going, keep giving you guys POVs every day? I think one POV is fair, right?
Yeah.
Because I've been contemplating it, we've been talking about it, and I told them that I really feel bad that I'm not bringing you guys the content. Like, people are constantly hitting me up like, hey, where are the videos? Where you at? Where you been? What's the update on the build? Like, let us know.
I do have a question though that everybody's dying to know.
Uh-oh. What is it?
Are you modding your car?
Am I modding my car? Yes, I'm modding my car, just not currently. I'm literally, okay, so basically what I'm doing is I'm getting all the parts to throw everything on at once, because I feel that modding your car bits and pieces isn't as rewarding as doing it all at once, right? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's kind of like if you want like this one full outfit of, let's just say all Gucci, I don't fucking know. Let's just say you want an all Gucci outfit. You're not just gonna buy the slides first. 2 months later, you're gonna buy the Gucci pants. Then 3 months later, you're gonna buy the Gucci shirt, and now you got the whole goddamn jumpsuit. I feel like it's more rewarding if you kind of save up and build everything all together and cash out on it once. You know what I mean?
Like a puzzle.
Yeah, I mean, it's like a puzzle, but at the same time, I want to complete the puzzle in one swoop. I don't want to kind of get bits and pieces. It's almost like a teaser. Like, I want more. Like, I want to hit my build and kind of like see where I'm at, because it's the thing, my 60-130 time is solid right now, but if I buy bits and pieces, I know it's gonna get faster little by little, and I'm gonna constantly want more, and it's not as fun, you know?
Yeah.
So if I get everything done all at once, it's gonna feel way more rewarding to hit my times that I want and kind of like work and build from there. As far as modding the car goes, like, I've been modding it cosmetically. I just couldn't resist. They had a little souvenirs that we could buy, and I bought the blacked out Coyote fender badges. I just couldn't resist because I wanted to black them out so my car doesn't look super stock. So I've got I think they're in gloss black. Yeah, I got them in gloss black, and they actually have the little red point on it, and I can just like kind of slap that on there. And it actually has blue too. That's crazy. It'll match the car, but I don't think I want blue. I think red is cool. And then the deck lid badge that says GT, I actually bought that in gloss black. So I'll just take these OEM ones off, and then, yep, this is the GT badge. It kind of bolts up together, and then 3M it on, and that's it. But yeah, like I said, I just couldn't resist getting those. I'm trying to get the build actually together cosmetically, and I do have plans to wrap the car. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna wrap it. It's gonna be a partial wrap, and it's gonna be like designs. I do have like a reference in mind that I am kind of copycatting off of, which I have no shame in that, because his car was orange, great sick build. It was a Gen 2. I want to carry it on with a Gen 3 that's actually gonna be quick, and that shit is gonna live on, and we definitely will be a statement piece 5.0 for sure. That car is gonna look, move, and sound great. Oh, and then we got these little fucking keychains. These are fucking is this a 6-speed manual? Yeah, we got a 6-speed manual gearbox where you could actually shift it in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and reverse. That is badass. And we got matching keychains as well, and I think that was pretty sick. I had to buy that as well. I guess you could say little souvenirs from Texas 2K. It's definitely one to remember for sure. I couldn't resist buying it, but like I said, modding the car cosmetically, it's always expensive when you're doing it cosmetically and performance at the same time. Like, I kind of wait around and see what I can find. I am looking for a Steeda closed airbox for sale. If you got one used, just hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, or in the comment section. I am looking for one, because I mean, I need that. Yeah. It's the next morning, and I fucked up. I really fucked up. So I wanted to transport my tires, my wheels and tires, to my shop in the Mustang, and I didn't think this through. So I'm currently sitting like maybe like 1 inch from the steering wheel. Like, I'm extremely close. The wheels are like stacked up. I can't even see my freaking passenger side mirror. In the back, I can kind of see 305, 45, 17 in the back. But this is what it looks like. It's like they're stacked up, and I got one wheel in the trunk. If anybody try to run me, maybe a SXT, he'd probably walk me. I'm so damn heavy right now. But yeah, I didn't think this through. We are getting the wheels put on, so I'm excited for that. I just want to end this video out and let you guys know that I am getting the wheels cleaned up, put on the car. I'm gonna get the car washed and all that good stuff. And then in the next POV, we're gonna be doing some test hits, seeing how the 305 45 17 with a drag radial hooks up on the 10-speed. I think it's gonna be pretty good, because I came from my 20 by 9.5 inch rims, the factory Ford wheels, and I had a 265 35 20 on there. They hooked up just fine. Kinda, you know, they spun, but it didn't spin. I don't know, it was like a love-hate relationship with those tires, and I think the 305 is gonna do me just right. So in the next video, I definitely am going to go crazy with that and experience a drag pack for the first time. And yeah, I'm gonna give you guys my thoughts, my impressions, my like pros and cons, I guess you could say, and like if it's worth it, if you guys should go on a pack. So it's your boy Mezzocaleb, and let's get it go. I'll see you in the next one.
Stuck in my ways, got me in the days, trying to kill the negative thoughts in my head.